Hi everyone! Get ready for a fun experiment. We're diving into the world of high-protein snacks for a whole week. Why? Well, protein is a powerhouse. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied, which can be a game changer when you're trying to manage your weight. Plus, it gives you the energy to power through your day. No more afternoon slumps. For the next 7 days, we're ditching the sugary processed snacks and embracing the power of protein. Think Greek yogurt, hard-boiled eggs, protein shakes, the delicious and nutritious kind. We'll explore a variety of options to keep things interesting. I'll be sharing my daily experiences, the good, the bad, and the hungry. You'll hear about my energy levels, any cravings I battled, and the unexpected discoveries I made along the way. Think of this as your personal guide to high-protein snacking. So, are you ready to join me? Let's do this. Good morning, snack enthusiasts. Day 1 of my high-protein snacking adventure is here, and I'm starting with a classic Greek yogurt with berries. It's a simple yet satisfying combination that's packed with protein and flavor. I opted for a plain, non-fat Greek yogurt and topped it with a handful of fresh blueberries and raspberries. The tartness of the berries paired perfectly with the creamy yogurt, creating a refreshing and delicious snack. I felt energized throughout the morning and didn't experience my usual mid-morning cravings. Overall, Day 1 was a success. The high-protein snack kept me feeling full and satisfied, and I felt great knowing I was nourishing my body with wholesome foods. On to Day 2. Day 2 called for a different kind of protein power, hard-boiled eggs and a handful of almonds. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats, while almonds provide fiber and a satisfying crunch. I prepped a couple of hard-boiled eggs in the morning so they were ready to grab and go when hunger struck. The combination of the creamy yolk and the crunchy almonds was surprisingly satisfying. I found that this snack kept me feeling full for longer, and I had no trouble resisting those tempting vending machine treats. One thing I learned on Day 2 is the importance of portion control. While almonds are healthy, they are also calorie-dense. A small handful was all I needed to feel satisfied. Small changes, big results. Section 4, Day 3, Protein Shakes, quick and easy fuel. Sometimes we need a fast snack. Protein shakes are great, they give us energy quickly. On Day 3, I made a shake with almond milk, vanilla protein powder, and spinach. Spinach makes it healthy and tasty. The shake was yummy and filling. It felt like a treat. Try different things in your shake. Add fruits, veggies, or nut butters to make it special. Section 5, Day 4, Cottage cheese with fruits. A surprisingly good combo. Cottage cheese might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of snacks, but trust me on this one. It's a protein powerhouse that can be surprisingly versatile and delicious. For my Day 4 snack, I decided to give cottage cheese a try. I mixed a small tub of low-fat cottage cheese with a diced peach and a sprinkle of cinnamon. The sweetness of the peach balanced out the tanginess of the cottage cheese, and the cinnamon added a warm, comforting flavor. I have to admit, I was a bit skeptical about this combination at first, but it turned out to be a pleasant surprise. The cottage cheese was incredibly filling, and the fruit added a touch of sweetness and freshness. Don't knock it till you try it. Section 6, Day 5, Beef Jerky for on-the-go energy. Day 5 called for a snack that could keep up with my busy schedule, and beef jerky was the perfect solution. It's portable, shelf-stable, and packed with protein, making it an ideal on-the-go snack. I chose a low-sodium beef jerky to avoid excess salt. The chewy texture and savory flavor were incredibly satisfying, and it provided a much-needed energy boost during a particularly hectic afternoon. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as beef jerky can be high in calories. A small bag was all I needed to tide me over until dinner. Remember, it's all about balance.